How to view OnlyFans posts without subscription. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I will teach you how you can view OnlyFans posts for free. So first and foremost, viewing OnlyFans posts without a subscription is not permitted by the platform's terms of service and is considered unethical and illegal. OnlyFans content creators rely on subscription for their income, and accessing their content without paying undermines their work and violates copyright laws. If you're interested in creators' content but are unsure about subscribing, here are some legitimate alternatives. So, first, you can have free trials. Some creators offer free trials for new subscribers. So, check their profile or social media for any promotional offers. Second one is free accounts. Some creators have free OnlyFans account with limited content. You can follow them and get a sense of their content before committing to a paid subscription. Third one is social media previews. Many creators share previews or snippets of their content on social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok. For the last one, we have discounted subscriptions. Look out for discounts or promotions that creators might offer periodically. Lastly, supporting creators by subscribing ensures they receive fair compensation for their work and encourages them to continue producing content. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching.